Hello my friends, Hank and Roger here with some more breaking news from this wonderful world of scale modeling. Yes, that's right, you get a double shot of modeling news this week. There's just that much going on. Okay, I'll put you down, that's okay. So this one I just learned about this morning and I am super excited about it, so I knew I had to whip up a video and share it with you guys. If you've been following this channel for a while, you know that I love my figures from Alpine Miniatures. They make some of the best 135 scale resin World War II figures in the game, and they're an absolute treat to paint. And by the looks of it, we're getting an Alpine Miniatures Medic. Just this morning, I saw these first images of Alpine's upcoming US Army Medic and Officer set on Instagram. I followed Dr. Jin Kim on Instagram at j_k.gs. They're an absolutely fantastic figure painter, and if you recognize that name, it's because you've probably seen it on box art of an Alpine miniature figure in the past. Dr. Kim does the box art paint job for a bunch of Alpine sets, and sometimes, when we're lucky, they'll post images of the painted up figures before they actually are released to the market. And that is exactly what happened here, as confirmed in the post comments. No actual information on when these figures will become available, but of course I will keep you guys posted, so be sure to subscribe right here to Spruce and Brew Scale Modeling if you haven't already. As with most Alpine offerings, I'm sure you'll either be able to pick these guys up individually or as a bundled set. I'll most likely grab both because this lieutenant with the grease gun looks phenomenal in his own right. And you better believe you'll be getting a painting video on this medic whenever he hits the market. The injured GI in these photos, might I add, is from Gecko Models, not an Alpine release, just a note there. So, are you as excited as I am about this new set from Alpine Miniatures? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you didn't get a chance to catch this week's other news video, you can do so right here. Until next time, my friends, be well, happy building, cheers.